Welcome back, my friends. Artificial intelligence is all the rage these days. And, if you follow this channel, you already know that I predicted artificial intelligence to be the technology of 2023. And, if you follow this channel, you already know about ChatGPT. Microsoft founder Bill Gates says that OpenAI's GPT AI model is the most revolutionary advance in technology since he first saw a modern graphical desktop in 1980. The whole experience was stunning, Gates wrote. I knew I had just seen the most important advance in technology since the graphical user interface. Artificial intelligence is taking jobs. From recruiters to tutors. ChatGPT's GPT-4 version says it will replace 20 jobs. The GPT-4-enabled version of ChatGPT is actually quite self-aware. ChatGPT 2.0, as it is being called, was asked what all jobs will it be able to take away from humans. The AI bot revealed that it can take away at least 20 jobs from humans, if it is allowed to. Last year, Microsoft announced the investment of $10 billion in ChatGPT. That is because ChatGPT could be the next big thing. And, it is a serious threat to Google. We recently heard news that Google's management has issued a code red alert. The reason is the rising popularity of ChatGPT. If you have never tried the ChatGPT artificial intelligence system, you should. It is an online system that responds with answers and knowledge about almost any subject. And, it is competitive with Google search. This comes at a critical time for Google. Ad revenue is softening. And competitive threats are emerging from almost everywhere. But I would say that ChatGPT is especially competitive. And this comes at a time when Google just announced 12,000 job cuts. Google has been under pressure for about a year now. Google stock is down 30% in the past year. The United States economy is teetering on the brink of recession. And corporate ad spending is plummeting. Google is more at risk than most people think. What does it mean for big tech companies? What does it mean for the economy? And, what does it mean for the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please press the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Saying that OpenAI's ChatGPT has taken the tech world by storm would be a massive understatement. The AI generative chatbot can provide comprehensive answers based on human directions or cues. Bill Gates says OpenAI's GPT is the most important advance in technology since 1980. Microsoft founder Bill Gates says that OpenAI's GPT AI model is the most revolutionary advance in technology since he first saw a modern graphical desktop environment, GUI, in 1980. Before that, people used their computers through a command line. Gates took that GUI technology and based Windows around it, creating a modern-day software juggernaut. Now Gates sees parallels with OpenAI's GPT models, which can write text that resembles human output and generate nearly usable computer code. He wrote in a blog post on Tuesday that he challenged the OpenAI team last year to develop an AI model that could pass the Advanced Placement Biology exam. GPT-4, released to the public last week, scored the maximum score, according to OpenAI. The whole experience was stunning, Gates wrote. I knew I had just seen the most important advance in technology since the graphical user interface. The development of AI is as fundamental as the creation of the microprocessor, the personal computer, the internet, and the mobile phone. It will change the way people work, learn, travel, get healthcare, and communicate with each other. Entire industries will reorient around it. Businesses will distinguish themselves by how well they use it, he continued. Gates is the latest big-name technologist to take a position on recent advancements in AI as a major shift in the technology industry. He joins former Google CEO Eric Schmidt and former Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who have predicted that database machine learning could change entire industries. Current CEOs also see major business opportunities in AI applications and tools. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said on Tuesday that the field is experiencing an iPhone moment, referring to the time when a new technology becomes widely adopted and entrepreneurs see opportunities for new businesses and products. Gates and Microsoft have close ties to OpenAI, which developed the GPT model. Microsoft invested $10 billion in the startup and sells some of its AI software through Azure Cloud Services. Gates suggests that people talking about AI should balance fears of biased, wrong, or unfriendly tools with its potential to improve lives. He also believes that governments and philanthropies should back AI tools being used for education or health in the developing world, because companies won't necessarily make those themselves. No wonder that tech alarmists have been afraid that it will one day come for most of our jobs. Well, it seems that day is perhaps closer than we anticipated. Whether it's a 1,000-word essay, a math issue, a cover letter, or even code, ChatGPT has been able to provide solutions for all sorts of questions, that too with a human-like touch. ChatGPT's creators created the AI to assist and benefit humans. However, it has become more powerful than we can fathom. And instead of benefiting, there is concern that it will replace human employment. And it seems that GPT-4 is aware of this, as it believes that it can replace about humans in about 20 different professions. ChatGPT was prompted to identify 20 current-day jobs that it could replace. The AI chatbot was asked to plot the response in the form of key characteristics: number, position, and human characteristic replace. And the result was literally shocking. The 20 jobs that it can replace, in the order of how easy it will be for ChatGPT to replace, are: data entry clerk, customer service representative, proofreader, paralegal, bookkeeper, translator, copywriter, market research analyst, social media manager, appointment scheduler, telemarketer, transcriptionist, news reporter, travel agent, tutor, technical support analyst, recruiter. Not only that, but GPT-4-enabled ChatGPT has also disclosed the human characteristics that it can replace in these positions. These traits include speed and accuracy, communication and empathy, attention to detail, research and organization, mathematical skills, language proficiency, creativity and writing, analytical skills, content creation and curation, persuasion and communication, multitasking and organization, fact-checking and writing, planning and coordination, knowledge and teaching, troubleshooting and problem-solving, writing and targeting, interviewing and assessment. Recently, when OpenAI launched GPT-4 and demoed what all it was capable of, Twitter CEO Elon Musk put out a tweet, asking, "What will be left for us people to do? We'd better get Neuralink going." Actually, artificial intelligence started taking human jobs weeks before GPT-4 launch. According to a recent poll of 1,000 business leaders conducted by ResumeBuilder.com, roughly half of U.S. businesses have adopted ChatGPT in their company in some way or the other. And they have started to replace their workers with the AI chatbot, and either release them or resituate them within the company. This was before OpenAI released GPT-4. So the number of businesses going for AI-based resources is only going to increase. When OpenAI released the enhanced edition of ChatGPT, which is powered by GPT-4, it was asked whether it ever considered how many jobs was it going to have an effect on. However, OpenAI has stated that the AI chatbot cannot replace humans and is designed to assist people in their jobs. ChatGPT generates answers and authentic-looking responses to questions about practically any topic. ChatGPT is also composing college essays and writing code. It gained more than 1 million users within its first month. Microsoft made a whopping $1 billion investment in OpenAI, ChatGPT's parent company, in 2019, and has increased funding early this year with additional investments worth billions of dollars. Microsoft's investment in OpenAI includes deal to incorporate ChatGPT with its search engine, Bing. The move comes as talks abound over whether Google is losing competitiveness. Potentially, ChatGPT could one day replace Google's search engine. It has the capability to generate singular answers to many types of questions. And it responds in a conversational, human-like way. It works by collecting information from millions of websites. But, what do you think? Please leave us a comment below and hit the like button. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.